the shadows. I couldn't seem to find a soul to care. Then in my darkest hour, you touched me with your power, and when I looked, your light was everywhere. The light of a million mornings filled my heart. The sound of a million angels sang my song. The warmth of a love so tender touched my life, and suddenly the light of a million mornings dawned in me. I've never